Next up on the main menu is Messages. It is designed for you to be able to send messages to your assets and users using the Geotab Drive app. A few minutes ago, I sent some messages so I'd be able to show you how it works. When I land on this screen, I can see recent messages based on selecting assets or users. I can send a new message by clicking New Message and selecting a user or asset off the list. If you have a lot of users, the filter is very handy. Once you've selected a user, click Compose Message, enter your message, and click Send. The new message now appears on the list. If you have a message thread going, it will appear much like the text messages on your cell phone. And above today's messages, you can see where saved locations in the system were previously sent to this user as a route. That is a function that you can do from the map. To give you an idea of what this looks like to the driver receiving the message, I'm going to switch over to the Geotab Drive app. From the app, I can reply to my messages and see the conversation history as well. The driver can access multiple messages, enter his or her replies, see new messages as they come in, and keep track of the conversation throughout the workday using the Geotab Drive app.